So adding those palm mutes in with those open E's, except for the very last one, I think this sounds way, way better. But the most important thing is the accuracy with the downstrokes and really pushing the speed there. So there is a pattern going on here besides just using that Hungarian minor. So you got a note that you start with, and then you go to the next note in key, and then you stay at that note, and then that second note that you played besides the E, I'm not counting the E as a note, so I'm saying that's the first non-E note, second one, and so on. So then you go to the second one that you did over here, that becomes the new first, and then that note gets done twice. You go up a little bit, and again the second non-E note here is going to be the first one here. So basically what the pattern is going up. So knowing that, I think will help make this easier. So we got 61, 2, 3, 4. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 220. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is really hard to do, but I want you to see what's possible, so there we go. Alright, number 2. So I left out changing notes because I didn't want you to have to think about too much stuff doing this. Like, I'd rather you pay attention to what the rhythm is. Being able to count it's definitely a helpful thing, so I'm going to demo that. You know the speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. You can palm mute that last one if you want. Thought I had more oomph to not palm mute it. 100 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. 40. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely gets challenging there. Gets very mental. So, coffee's making me phlegmy. Sorry. Yeah, if you got any questions about working this guy, let me know. So, PDF attached. Let's get a closer look here. Okay, so we have the low E string. It's our starting point with these. So we've done similar stuff. So you got your arpeggios. I would play each one a few times before moving on to the next, just so you can get a feel for how it sounds and looks. I like to use my third and fourth finger for this here, so I go first, third, and fourth for the sus2s. And then here I'll go first, second, and third. For this guy, let's see, yeah, I'll go first, second, and third for this one as well. For that, just be first and second finger. So the goal is to rewrite everything in order. So starting with your C sus2, then your D sus2, and so on. So whatever arpeggio starts on the 12th fret, that's also going to be the one you do in the open position as well. And then you got the same deal with your suspended fours. So I will roll my index finger for the suspended fours. This one I'll go first, second, and third finger. Yeah, for everything else I will roll my index finger for these. And then just move them up to the next set of strings. And also for this one, for the sus4s as well as the sus2s. When you get to the arpeggio that begins on fret 12, you will put that in the open position as well. So if any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in a week.